Namaskar. Today I am going to talk about chia seeds, which has become very popular in recent time. These chia seeds are tiny seeds which contain nutrients for your body, and they also have a capacity to soak up liquids. Let us see how chia seeds can play a role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. First, high insoluble fibers. One of the reasons that chia seeds can help in weight management is their impressive soluble fiber content. This soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance when combined with water, and it slows down digestion and absorption of nutrients. In turn, this causes reduced hunger, so decreased calorie intake and improved regulation of your blood sugar level. Second, feeling full and eating less. Imagine chia seeds turning into gel in your stomach. It makes you feel that you have had enough food, just like you feel satisfaction after a meal. This feeling of fullness might help you eat less, so it reduces the need for extra calories. Third, it contains omega-3 fatty acid. Did you know that chia seed is rich in alpha-linoleic acid, that is ALA, which is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. They don't directly burn fat, but they can help with inflammation, making your body work better and your metabolism smoother. How to eat chia seeds? How much to eat chia seeds? Let's understand. Adding chia seeds to your diet is very easy. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into your drinks, mix them into homemade curd, or put them into soups to thicken them. Just make sure that they are nicely soaked and have formed a gel-like outer surface that provides their unique benefit. Just soak half a tablespoonful of chia seed in a cup of water for 15-20 minutes. Stir the water now and then to see that seeds simply don't float over the water. There is no strict rule about when to eat chia seeds. It can be in breakfast, it can be at lunch, it can be at dinner. You can add them into your meals whenever you like. They are good supporters, making your meal little healthier. These chia seeds, with their unique gel-forming ability, do support weight management because they make you feel full. But you should know that no one food is a magic solution for weight loss. Eating healthy is like teamwork. It is about a big picture. Enjoy chia seeds, but keep up the good work. With a balanced diet, staying active, and making lifestyle choices that helps you keep fit. Namaskar.